is a new super cute cat bundle available on Roblox right now for free. Let me show you how to get it. Search up Ginger Cat. Then change the price to 0 by clicking at this button. Now scroll to the bottom and there will be a ginger cat that's called Cute Ginger Cat. It looks ugly right now, but first take off everything. I am just choosing my base avatar. Now when you're done, you go into build and follow how I put them. Now the cat is done, yay! And if you want to meet other cats, join this game where you can also change the color of your cat and add accessories, but they won't be in your avatar when you leave the game.